Yeah, it finally happened. After months of text messages back and forth, our schedules lined up, and we finally got on board and got to tour the YouTube famous motor yacht Loon. We got to hang out with the crew, finally met in person with Nina, aka the crew chef that helped us design our galley, got to tour the insane 2-story owner suite, got the detailed tour of the bridge with Captain Paul, totally got lost on this 221-foot, 67-meter luxury 7-star charter yacht. Also got to tour the 2-story engine room in the Instagram famous beach club. Subscribe now if you want to see the full tour.